This video will demonstrate how to perform a basic search in EBSCOhost Discovery Service, and we'll look at some of the features of this interface. So EBSCO Discovery Service is available from the library website. It's the search box that you see at the top of the library homepage. And so to begin your search, you simply type in your search terms into the search box and hit search. Now, if you are working off campus, it will ask you for a username and password, and those passwords are located in your Harcum hatch under Quick Links. So find the Quick Links tab. It's usually somewhere on the right-hand side of your screen, or it might be, if you tap on your username, it might be under your username. So scroll down under Quick Links to Library Database Password List, and there you'll find the usernames and passwords for all of our electronic resources. So you type in your search terms and hit search, and if you're on campus, it will automatically log you in and you will see a new tab with your search results. Now, EBSCOhost Discovery is a federated search. This means that it searches almost all of Harcum Library's electronic and print materials in one search. With a few exceptions, it does not include the results from Lexicomp, University of Fashion, or SIRS Issues Researcher. So for those three databases, you'll have to do a separate search. So I've done my search here on equine therapy, and you can see a few items here in my result list. You might see a research starter article right at the top of your search results. These are articles that are written by experts at EBSCO. They're written in a sort of Wikipedia style to give you a general overview of a topic, and they have links to other relevant articles and materials available within EBSCO. They're usually very high quality, and I recommend them over Wikipedia if you're looking for background information when you're beginning your research. Now, the next thing you might see are electronic articles like this one. This one is we can see that it's an article and that it's peer-reviewed. If you see these Access Now buttons, this means that you can access the full text of the material and it will open in your browser. Another thing that you might notice is that you will see items that have a status on the shelf or checked out and a location. This means that this is a physical book and it is available within our library. And look, this call number here is its address on the shelf, so you can jot that down and go look for that material on the shelf. Now, View Details is a way to see a little bit more information about a material. You can see, for example, its title, where it was published, subject terms, and very often there's an abstract or a summary so that you can decide if you want to download or access that material right away. There's a menu at the top of every result which allows you to use this citation tool. The citation tool is great because it allows you to select the citation style that you are using, and then it will give you a fully formatted citation for that item. But I will caution that these are written by a computer and they can have errors in them, so I would definitely check them against our citation guides, which are available from the library homepage. Okay, so going back to our result list, I just want to point out some of the filters that are available to these help to narrow down your search results. So let's focus here on all filters. By clicking here, we see the full menu of all of the available filters, and source type is a great filter if you need to focus your results on scholarly materials. So here we have academic journals. This is a great filter to apply if you're looking for scholarly material. Another filter that students often look for is the date range. If you need to eliminate anything that's older than 5 years, you can do that here. And you could also do a custom date range. So by applying those filters, the number beside my all filters menu button has changed, and that's telling me that I've applied 3 filters. And my search results have gone down considerably because now I'm only seeing academic journals that are were published within the last 5 years. Another great feature of this database is this concept map, which you can find in the dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. Concept map is excellent if you're trying to narrow down a topic or explore a topic while you're trying to write your thesis statement. So it allows you to type in search words and then see visually how it's related to other topics within the database. And you can, if you click on these, you can explore the concept more or add it to your search. And then finally, I want to point out the projects feature. Projects allows you to organize your search results that you want to save into sort of folders. So if you are finding material that you would like to save, you can click these menu buttons beside the material and click Add to Project. And this is great if you have multiple research projects going at the same time and you need to keep everything organized. And so you can add it to a project, you can create a new project as you're searching. The only thing is in order to use this, you have to make a personal EBSCO account, which is very easy to do. You click on the person icon here at the top, and you would click Sign into my EBSCO. And very conveniently, if you have already logged into your Harcum hatch and then you're opened your Gmail, you can click Continue with Google, and you can log in using your Harcum email account, which is nice because it keeps everything under the same username and password. So yeah, those are some of the great features of EBSCOhost Discovery Service. I highly recommend that you use it, especially if you're just beginning a research assignment. And it's got so many great resources within it. If you need any help at all, please feel free to contact the library. We're always happy to help.